Hello YouTube, welcome back. In today's video we're going to go over SPY, QQQ, ES, NQ, VIX, and dollar levels for April 17th. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And as always beforehand, remember this is not financial advice. Do your own technical analysis for educational purposes only. This is what I'm looking out for. So without further ado, let's get into it. First off, tomorrow we have April 17th. We have unemployment claims at 8:30. We also have no, that's it. Just unemployment claims tomorrow, so um, expect the market to move in either direction, either up or down tomorrow, just depending on how the news goes. After that, let's talk about SPY. So as you can see here today, Powell crashed the market. He was saying that slowdown, saying that the economy is slowing down, which is causing people to be a little bit fearful. So we did have a big red push today. So what am I looking for, SPY? Clearly, as I will keep saying until we either break above this high or break below this low, we're still in the same range. So what am I looking out for? I am targeting this low down here at 520.40. I expect these lows to continue to be hit because there's not really much positive news going around. So yeah, again, stuck in the same range. We have a support down here at about hmm, about 512, maybe 511.50, somewhere in that range. Resistance, again, I just say about this 549 level. We haven't really tested either one, so we'll just have to wait and see what the market wants to do. Same thing for QQQ. Again, stuck in the same range here. So I am expecting more downtrends. I am expecting this 437.76 level to be hit. Again, support for this would be at about 431.50, about 431, 431.50, right in there. Again, stuck in the same range. Resistance is at about 463. That one fails, about 472. So those are your levels for that. Now let's head over to NQ. Again, targeting this low down here, I have a target at about 18,173 for NQ. For ES, I have a target about 5,260. So those are my levels for ES and NQ. Really short and simple. VIX, we're starting to see a little bit of push from here. So we'll just have to see if it wants to continue. Again, came down here to this 29, showing a little bit of push. We do have a resistance for VIX. Hold on. We do have a resistance for VIX up here at like the 45 area. Yeah, about the 45, 44 area, somewhere in there. So if it does continue to push up, look out for that. Again, if that fails, we do have more supports down here at 26 and then the 21 level. So just be mindful of that. Dollar had a bad day today. It's just really not showing any sort of buying pressure that it wants to continue going up. So we are heading towards this 98 level, 99 level. It's probably going to fail. So next support level for dollar is going to be about 97. If that fails, about 95. So those are my levels. I guess I can go over just a couple more real quick. Let's just do Apple real quick. And see Apple, again, not really looking the greatest. We, again, kind of range bound, doing the same thing as SPY. So resistance for Apple is at this 213 level. Support would be at about 188. 188 for support. So again, we'll just have to wait and see what the market wants to do. Tesla, same thing. This is just awful. As you can see here, we are just trading in a range. I could say 269, 270 as a resistance, but again, this is just kind of awful price action. We're at the support level of about 240, so we'll just have to see how Tesla wants to act. And then we'll just do Nvidia to round it out. As you can see here, again, Nvidia kind of just choppiness or just consolidation. We are pushing up, so that is good. We are at a support level. We're getting near that support level. I want to say at about 99 is support for Nvidia. Resistance for Nvidia is at about 108. So just be careful of that. Again, it just all depends on how news is tomorrow and how the market wants to react. Also, be aware that the market is closed on April 18th for Good Friday, so you know the market might not move that great tomorrow. Normally happens when bank holidays are on a Friday. So just be wary of that. And yeah, if you guys got any more stocks or futures you want me to go over, leave them down in the comments below. I will get into them in the next video. And I hope to catch you all on Sunday for the stocks of the week, the stock review. So catch you all then. Peace.